The circulatory system is a system in the body that is responsible for delivering oxygen and nutrients to other parts of the body and also retrieving waste product, which is carbon dioxide. The circulatory system has 5 main components: the heart, the lungs, arteries, veins, and capillaries. When oxygen is transported back into the body, to other parts of the body, it is done by osmosis in the lung and is the same for the waste product. When blood is pumped through the body, it firstly is pumped through the pulmonary artery, where it goes towards the lungs to collect oxygen and deliver the waste product, which is carbon dioxide. After it collects blood, it goes through the pulmonary vein, where it goes back into the heart, and is pumped through the aorta to the body and other parts of the body. After the blood delivers the oxygen, it returns to the heart through the vena cava, where it then is pumped back into the pulmonary artery to collect more oxygen and deliver to the body. The heart muscles can contract by itself without the stimulation of a nerve. This is known as a myogenic muscle contraction. This is caused by the pacemaker in the right atrium. Every time it sends a signal, a heartbeat is the result. The pacemaker is under the influence of adrenaline, and that controls the speed of the heartbeat, and therefore the more exercise a person does, the faster the heartbeat is, because more blood needs to be pumped around the body to deliver oxygen to the body parts. As the intensity of the exercise increases, the heartbeat rate increases. The circulatory system can be trained to improve performance during sports. To do so, there are 2 ways in which it can be done: by improving muscle endurance and/or strength, through the use of weight training. The improvement can be measured through bleep tests, push-up tests, as well as broad jump. The sources I have used for this assessment include such as my biology textbook from pages 67 to the end of the chapter of the circulatory system. Also, I have used my biology copybook and my PE assessment for the fitness unit. For my reflection, I have to say that I have never thought that the biology circulatory system unit and the PE fitness unit could ever be joined in such a way that it could be used for the IDU assessment. I did know to some extent that the circulatory system was responsible for delivering the nutrients and oxygen to the body, and that it would affect how much sport and exercise we did and how much oxygen we received throughout the body. But I never thought that it would be synthesized in such a way that it would affect the pacemaker would be affected by the amount of exercise. Also, I have learned throughout the making of this assessment that the more exercise I make, that the pacemaker will work faster. Therefore, that's why my heart beats so fast when I'm doing sports.